Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is my wife's Timex Ironman Triathlon watch that I need to change the battery on. It's one of the standard sports watches in that it has the canvas strap and the back is held in place by these 4 screws. So I'm just going to use my wow stick electric screwdriver to remove the screws. The great thing about using a little electric screwdriver is it stays locked in place and it saves you slipping off easily. And now what I want to do is to just take those screws and put them to one side, keep them safe. You'll note that once you've got the 4 screws off, you've got this plastic on either side and you may be tempted to force that down, but the only problem is you might end up breaking the watch. So the best thing to do is to get a small tip screwdriver and go down one end and just push this little slider in there, and then we should be able to slide that out. Just watch that that doesn't catapult itself all over the place, and there you go. The back now lifts up and we can actually then, using a pair of tweezers, slide it out from the back like that. I hope you liked the video. Please share it with others. Please subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Bye.